Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Xiaomi Redmi 9A. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. And here you can select your default browser, or you can click cancel. Now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in, or you can click I don't have a Mozilla account. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and it's ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.